Life is a motorcycle ride. The ride can be smooth and the ride can be rough, but it will often leave us feeling we just haven't had enough. Life is an uncertain adventure, and so is a motorcycle ride. But whatever either brings our way, we embrace and take it all in stride. The ride of life may promise sunny when we set out at the break of day, but soon the sky turns black and stormy when we least expect it along the way. Most times the road is full of bumps, and sometimes there's no road at all. Most times we manage to stay in the saddle, and at other times we fall. But that's the ride, and that is life. Still, we have no doubt we'll arrive at wherever it is we aim to go, with no regrets that we're alive. Life is a motorcycle ride. A ride ends when we get home. Life's journey may be short or long, and it finally ends when we come home.